I'm working on a Crane 795 toe kick saw. They can't get this bolt out of there, so what I'm having to do is put a nut that I can weld on here, right there, and I have to keep it in place. What we need is a drill bit, .107. Let's see what that is. The only thing that comes close to that is 7/64. We're using this says 1065, so that's going to be it. A number 36 drill bit. So that's what we need to drill these two holes. We don't want to grind any farther down than that washer. So we'll do that. I need to get one more washer for this side. And then what you do is you drill it that size hole. You take some framing nails and then you drive them in there after you drill the two holes. Now we're going to take and grind off and just leave just some nubs sticking up. It has these 4 holes, and I'm assuming this for, you know, 2 of them for one saw and 2 of them for a different number saw. So we're going to see if this fits on there. Yeah, it fits on there. It's a little loose, but I don't have the right stuff. But we want to make sure that these 2 little billy boppers are not sticking for 2 different types of saw. See, it won't fit that way. Turn it a quarter of a turn, fits both of them there. Okay, but what this does, once you get that nut in there, these little bumps, I'll think of the right name here in a minute, keep this blade from turning, because this is a right hand thread, and as this thing's turning and this blade doesn't have anything to stop it from turning, it's going to slide, or excuse me, it's going to slip around and tighten that bolt up more. That's why we couldn't get the bolt off of this thing to begin with. Okay, we've got to grind a little bit of this down flush so it's flat with this, because this weld right here is not letting it sit on there straight. It's kind of wobbling. So let me go grind this down real quick. Okay, you can see we ground just enough off the edge, but we didn't touch that nail that's in there. Pins was the right word to say about this. Let the pins stick up just a little bit. We got it all tightened up. See, there's that pin sticking through there. There's that pin. The only reason I used something a little smaller, because I knew I couldn't hit the exact center of this thing. So at least we got 2 of them in there. One of them is always going to stop this saw blade from turning. So this should finish them up till this saw burns out. Okay, well, I appreciate you watching.